Hello students, today we will be testing our reaction time, and reaction time is how quickly one can respond to something. In this case, we will be using a ruler in groups of 6. Each of you will be using your journals to write your results. In pairs, one student will go onto the theater stage and they will hold up the ruler. The student that is not on stage will make sure that the ruler is aligned with the inches side and also by the 0. So your finger should be right here, like this. Once you have placed your fingers there, or your hand there, make sure to let your partner know that whoever's holding the ruler, that way they'll know when to start to let go of the ruler. And then you will try to respond by trying to capture it as fast as you can. Then you'll look at the inches side of the ruler and write down the number from the top part of your hand. So say I just grabbed it and it's at 5, right there, 5 inches. That's the top by your thumb. And you'll do this with your dominant hand. Then you'll write down the results from that. So if you got 5 inches, you would put 5 inches into your little journal, and then you would switch with the partner that was on stage. Then you would be the one holding the ruler, and they would be the one capturing the ruler. So you're gonna repeat that with the whole group. And when you're all done, come to me and ask me for help, or you can just call my name and ask for my help. Then one of the journals, the names of all members will be written, and their performance number will be written as well. So if I got 5 inches and then my partner got 6 and then someone else got 4, we would all put that in the same paper, and then add them all up and then divide them by the amount of people in the group, which is 6, unless you have an uneven amount. Then you'd put how many students you have in your group. So I'm going to give you a demonstration right now. Here I'm fixing the ruler to go towards the inches side. Then I'm going to hold it up so that my partner can line up their fingers. Then I'm going to show you a close-up of the ruler, and then let's pretend that there was a partner there and that's their fingers and they're lining it up to 0 on the ruler. Can you see the 0? Yeah. And then you can open your hand and then they will release and you will capture it. Hello students, today we'll be testing our abdominal strength and endurance. The way we're going to do this is by a curl up test. And you're each going to have a partner, which I've already separated you out. One of you is going to be laying down on your back, belly side up, which is supine position. Your knees are going to be bent. Your whole foot is on the ground. Your back is flat. Hands are on the ground and out towards your heels. The tape will be placed underneath you, or you should adjust to where the tape is so that your fingers are just touching it, the part closest to you, to your face. So it should be lined up to the tips of your fingers. Every 3 seconds you should raise your head and upper back, shoulders, tightening your core, curling up. You will slide your fingers over the tape to its end, then complete the curl going back down, touching your head on the ground. And as a partner, you're going to watch for 3 strikes. You must make sure that they are following the form of a correct curl up. They should be tapped on their ankle every time they strike. And on the 3rd strike, let them know by tapping their shoulder twice. Now here on this one, in this test, we're going to be testing on how to curl up with proper form. So in here you can see that my feet are on the ground, my fingers are on the tips of the tape or measuring tape that it would be, and I'm flat on the mat, and that's the proper way to curl up. Good luck on your test.